This is Katie Colleen here. Welcome back, Colleen Clan. Or if you're new, then come join the family for another small business unboxing. All of my small business unboxings are special, but this one is especially special. That's because I am unboxing Kipo merch. So there is a TV show series on Netflix that I've recently become re-obsessed with. So it's called Kipo and the Age of Wonderbeasts. Usually when I become obsessed with the show, I make a cosplay. Here's where the plot thickens. I am making a contest cosplay for SakuraCon. And I really do not have time to set aside my competition build and make a Kipo cosplay just as a random passion project and still finish my competition build in time to submit for the contest. So that's when I got the big brain idea that I would make a Kipo themed Ita bag. Now I have my Ita bag attached to the back of my wheelchair when I go to cons. So this felt like a good enough substitute for making a Kipo cosplay. I could just, make this Ita bag that's Kipo themed, put it on my wheelchair, take it to con with me, and then I could still kind of interact with other fans if they noticed the bag, and that would kind of like fill the void of me wanting to express my love for this show. So that's what we're doing. This right here is a Kipo Ita bag with a lot of pins to put in it. So that's what we're unboxing today. I suppose I should start with the Ita bag. That would make the most sense. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick synopsis because I imagine there are very few people watching this who actually know what the show is. So the show is set in a dystopian world, I would say, where humans live underground and mutated animals have taken over the surface. And by mutated animals, I mean like frogs that wear tuxedos and snakes that play rock and roll music. Like, they all have very loud and bright personalities. These are very fun creatures that have been created in this dystopian world. So the main protagonist, Kipo, basically just goes onto the surface and wants to be friends with everything she lays her eyes upon. She wants to be friends with all of the weird mutated creatures. She wants to be friends with everyone, and she always sees the best in everyone, even in the main antagonists. Anyways, that's why I love the show. It's very heartwarming. That being said, there are some spoilers in the stuff I will be opening. I suspect everyone who has wanted to watch this show has already watched it, but I just wanted to throw that out there. I do recommend you do watch the show because, as I mentioned, I love it. Here it is. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I love it. So this is a little pink paw print Ita bag. It's from Sleeping Wolves Art on Etsy. They have some really cute Ita bags. So I picked out this Ita bag to fit like the theme of Kipo. So in the show, she is able to transform into a giant pink jaguar, and this is a giant pink like cat paw. So I thought it would kind of look like the jaguar foot. And inside it comes with different strap options. So I use the strap length that's supposed to go like crossways across your body, and that's long enough to wrap around the back of my wheelchair. So I'll be using that length. So it came with, wow, it came with 4 different like bag lengths. So we have our bag. Next, we can put the pins in. I basically bought every hard enamel pin that was being sold on Etsy. So let's open up this one. This is from Simply Ghostly Designs. Oh. This is why I love small business unboxings. They give me cute little notes. Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope to see you again soon. Ah, it's so cute. I'm getting way too excited about Kipo merch. It's a little pin that says Kipo. So I want to put that one, I think maybe on the top here. But this pin is super cute and it's pretty small too. So let's add this to our bag. This one is from Elven Hound on Etsy. I can tell because they had a nice cute sticker on the back. This is why I do these videos. Small businesses are the best. Here is the little thank you note. Like, I buy one pin and they're like, here's a thank you note and a business card and a sticker. They sent me a sticker. Guys, I have a sticker. So it's Mega Jaguar Kipo. So as I was saying, she transforms into a Mega Jaguar. This is what it looks like. So I feel like I could fit this kind of in the big part of the paw under the logo. It's a pretty big pin, but it is absolutely gorgeous. This is a beautiful pin. Aww. So this is another Mega Jaguar pin. I got 2 of them. This one's from Ace Light. Look at her, she's so cute. I'm really not gonna have much space for the buttons. But this is so cute. I gotta put it in, it's too cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try and fit this one in as close as possible to the other Mega Jaguar pin. Let's keep going, let's keep going. I'm sure we can make space somewhere for more pins. I'm sure we'll find space. This is from Pinboy Fresh. So these are the characters that kind of join Kipo on her quest to make friends with everything she sees. So this is Wolf. This is Kipo's bestest friend. So she is very serious. You know, she's like, we need to take this seriously. This is a dystopian world. Everyone's out to get us. And Kipo is like, but what if we're friends with everything we see instead? Have you thought of that? So next is the animal sidekick, as you know, a good main protagonist must have. This is Mondu, very, very cute. And then the last one I have is Dave. So Dave is a little bug mute that travels with the crew. And Dave is funny. I'd call him the comedic relief character. He's just great, little bug man. And then the other people that travel with Kipo can go in these other like paw print pad areas. There was not a whole lot of pins to choose from for the rest of Kipo's crew. Plenty of Kipo pins, but not a whole lot for these guys. So I'm really glad I found these and I think they look so nice. So let's put these in the Ita bag too. So cute. And if I remember correctly, that is all the hard enamel pins. So everything after this is buttons. So let's open up our last Etsy one. The packaging on this has Christmas dinosaurs. Ah! So here's the whole crew. So here's Kipo, the main protagonist. Here's Wolf, her best friend. Here's Benson. He's also part of like the friend group, you know. And then Mondu is the little pig that follows him around, and Dave. I kind of want to unbox the Redbubble pins too. And then I'm gonna see where I can fit them all. Because I don't think I'll be able to fit all the buttons. So this is my first time buying off of Redbubble. So I will have to put the artist and the listing on the screen. I don't remember every artist all these were from, but I got a few. I need you all to properly appreciate the artwork. So we need to go through all the pins. So here is the whole crew in like a little kind of snapshot. I think that's really cute. It has everyone in it. So at the very end of the show, they do kind of a cute little time skip and it shows the characters like a few years later. So this is all of their few years later looks. I was sad I couldn't find a hard enamel for Benson, so I got a few extra buttons for him. So this is a pin of Wolf. And I don't know what it is about the coloring, if it's just the bright colors, if it's the art style, I don't know, but this pin just like grabbed me. This artwork has entranced me. This one says Heroes on Fire, so that's like the song that they all sing together. It's super cute. I went to Benson and Dave's super sick house party and all I got was nothing because it's not real. So this is like an inside joke from the show. So here is the Kipo crew. with skateboards. So this is an original design. This isn't like a design from the show. The artist came up with this from their own brain. So here's a Kipo one. I just like the artwork on this one too. It's something about like the really bright colors that grabbed me, but I like this artwork too. Oh, I got another one of Wolf. This was another one I just really, really liked the artwork. So they are going to prom, and it has all their prom outfits. Benson and Dave, they are best friends. I got an extra button of him and Dave. I also got this Himufa pin. It's really, really small. It says Human Mute Ultimate Friendship Alliance. So basically, I want to be friends with everybody. Here is my Kipo Ita bag. This brings me so much joy. Look how much stuff I put in there. So I'm going to bring Walter the wheelchair in here, and I'm gonna show you guys how I attach my Ita bag to the back of my wheelchair. It's really simple, but I'll just give you guys a quick little tutorial. Okay, here is Walter the wheelchair. Here's my Ita bag that's currently on Walter. You've probably seen this one before. So this is my little flower Ita bag. So this will sit in the back here. So I'm gonna need probably the longest one of these. And usually I have to also set it to like the longest possible length. One strap connects here, right, where it's supposed to connect. And then I have it go under this bar. So you have this bar on the back here that holds the push handles to the chair. So I have this go under the push handle bar. And that kind of holds it down. Once I do that, it can go to the front of the chair. Now my wheelchair has side guards. So then I take this and I put it behind the side guard so that the strap doesn't get in the way of the wheel movement. And then I take my strap, put it all the way across, and then on this side, I just do the same thing but in reverse. So I go on the inside of the side guard, I go under the push handle bar right here, and then I connect to the bag. We have our Ita bag, and the cool thing is it can't fall off because it's wrapped around the push handle bar. So it's just like that. And I feel like I finally gotten to express my love for this show properly. Like I finally have gotten something to show how much I love Kipo, and maybe I'll finally get to making a Kipo cosplay in the next year. I'm not sure, but like I just love this show to bits. I'm going to put the links to all of these pins and the bag down in the description if you would like to check out the artists and the small businesses that created these pins. I did buy it with my own money, as with all small business unboxings, so not sponsored and not collaborated. I just like to buy stuff. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!